Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out these Geyoga pack of 4 military style and color hats. So we have the first one is the camo, we got a black one, like a green, military green, and then the tan. So these are pretty sweet. They're lightweight, a polyester cotton blend featuring this Velcro in the back, so adjust it pretty much any way you want. These are pretty nice, neutral, like military style colors. They're going to go with your white t-shirt, your black t-shirt, pretty much whatever you wear. Just casual hats there, or if you are in the military or security and things like that, it does have the Velcro on the front, so you can put your patches on there and things like that, and however you like to wear your hats. These are quite comfortable. They're very lightweight, and it's got the holes in the top for breathability. The bill is nice and pliable as well, so whether you wear your hats, you know, low and flat on your bill, or you wear it up a little bit or curve the bill down like that, these hats are going to go pretty much with any outfit that you have. I have a lot of black and white and gray t-shirts, and these things are pretty much for any occasion, but nice way to protect your eyes from the sunlight, and you can put your insignias on there with the convenient Velcro there. So very lightweight, comfortable, nice pliable bill, like I said. And we have the inseam here as well. It's got the little sweatband there. So they're quite comfortable, and I think they look pretty cool too. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this quick review on these Geyoga 4-pack military style hats. Have a great day. We'll catch you all next time.